Hello everyone. This video for class 8 chapter 7 exercise 7.2. In previous video we were discuss cube root of a decimal number, cube root of product and a fraction numbers. In this video we will discuss some questions of exercise 7.2. Now let's start. First question is cube root of minus 125. For this we understand one thing. We learned one thing. The square root of a negative number does not exist, whereas cube root of a negative number exists and is a negative number. It means if we find the cube root of a negative number, we get the negative numbers. If the square root of a negative number does not exist. How? For example, 64 minus 64, the square root, there is no number, the square root is minus 64, that is 8 square is equals to 64. Minus 8 square is equals to 64. So that is there is no number whose square root is 64. Whose square is 64. It does not exist. But cube root of minus 64 is exist. How? We write this. First we find the prime factor of 64. 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. So we can write this in this form. Minus 64 is equals to minus 164. First we find the prime factor of 64. Now we write all the prime factor. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many triplets are formed? That is 1 2 3, 1 triplet and 2, that is 2 triplets. So and we write this minus 64 and write minus 1 here. The cube root of minus 64 is equals to minus 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is cube root. So we write outside the cube root one factor from this and one factor from this. So one factor is 2 and one factor is 2 and we write this number minus 1. So this is minus 4. So cube root of minus 64 is minus 4. Or we can write also 3 minus 64 is equals to cube root minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4. So we write this minus 4 cube minus 4 cube. The meaning of this sign is 1 by 3. So 3 se 3 cancel. The answer is minus 4. That is the cube root of minus 64 is minus 4. You can do in this way or in this, as you wish. You want to use this method and this method. Clear? The square root of a negative number does not exist and thus the cube root of a negative number is exists. Now let's move on our question. The question is cube root of 125. How can we write cube root of 125? We write here 3 under root -5, -5 and -5. So cube root of 3 minus 5 is cube. So this is the answer, -5. So cube root of -125 is -5. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? Let's move on. Next question. Cube root of -0.027 upon 8. First we remove decimal. Write 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros in denominator. Cube root of this 27. 27 is the cube of 3. So how can we write? We write -3 multiply -3 multiply -3. And 8000 is the cube of 20. We write 20 multiply 20 multiply 20. So this is a perfect triplet. Now we write one factor outside the cube root, -3 upon 20. That is answer. Now let's move on the next question. Cube root of 2744 minus square root of 169. So first we find cube root of 2744. The first we find prime factor of this number. The last digit is even number, so this number is divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. This number is divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So the prime factor is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. How many triplets are formed? That is 2 triplets are formed and both the triplet is complete. So the cube root of 2744 is equals to cube root of 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. So we write one factor from this triplet, that is 2, and we write one factor from this triplet, that is 7. So this is 2 7s are 14. So the cube root of under root 2744 is 14. The square root of 169 is 169 divided by only 13. This is 13 and 13 ones are 13. That is 169 13 multiplied by 13. In square root we see that the doublet of 13 is complete. So we write one factor from this, that is 13. So the square root of 169 is 13. The question is cube root of 2744 minus square root of 169. The cube root of this number is 14 and this number and the square root of this number is 13. So the minus 14 minus 13 is 1. That is answer. Now let's move on next question. Find the least number which when multiplied with the following numbers gives the product a perfect cube. Find the cube root of the product thus obtained. It means which number multiplied these numbers make a perfect cube. First we find the prime factors of this number. A part 16875. 16875. The large digit is 5, so the number is divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. This will become 18. 5 3 is 15. 15 my 18 minus 15 is 3. 37. 5 5 7 is 35. 5 5 is 25. Now again divided by 5. 5 6 is 30. 5 7 is 35 and 5 5 is 25. Now again divided by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. 5 7 is 35. Now this is divided by 3. 3 9 is 27. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So the prime factor is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 1 6 8 7 5 is equals to how many triplets are formed? This is 1 and 1. So there is 2 complete triplets and 1 incomplete triplets. So द अगर हमें इसको कंप्लीट बनाना है तो हमें कितने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करनी होगी? 2 5 से. दैट इज इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय 5 into 5, so the number make a perfect cube. On multiplying 16875 by 5 into 5, we get 421875, which is perfect cube. That is cube root of 421875 is equals to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75, that is answer. So in this way you do all the questions of exercise 7.2. In this question we do when the question asks multiply. If the question are divided, so you divided this number is 5, we get the number. So this is a perfect cube. जैसे 16875 divided by 5, we get perfect cube of a number. On dividing 16875 by 5, we get 3375, which is perfect cube. So cube root of 3375 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, that is answer. This is the dividing case and this is the multiplication case. So in this way all the questions of exercise 7.2 do in your notebook. We will meet next video. Bye bye.